Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be going over Shopify, what it is, and what it can do, and briefly go over how to get your very first store started. What is Shopify? Shopify is a massive online store creation platform which requires subscriptions to use. It is a simple platform to get started with your business. Advanced features are available later on. It includes everything you need to turn your idea into a successful business. This includes integrated payment processing, hosting your online store, SEO and marketing tools, shipping tools, and a wide variety of store themes to choose from. There are also a massive range of third-party applications and tools to use for your business. Some of these are free and some are paid. The massive platform has increased 10x in 3 years. Over 150,000 store owners and over $7 billion in volume sales. Impressive stats. If you have a brick and mortar store, you can pair this with Shopify's point of sale system. This syncs your inventory so you can manage everything from one account. If you're looking to create a simple store with expectations of large growth, Shopify scales with you. What are the costs of Shopify? Shopify has some standard subscription models. Basic Shopify is $29 per month. This includes 24/7 support, shipping labels, up to 4 inventory locations. We will go over what this is in later videos. 2.9% transaction fees and some other cool features shown here. Standard Shopify is $79 per month. This includes everything from the basic subscription, as well as lower transaction fees to 2.7%. There is also the ability to get a 50% discount with shipping providers if you don't already have your shipping carriers set up. Advanced Shopify is $299 per month. This is a great upgrade, especially for stores who are already generating a lot of revenue. 2.4% transaction fees and up to 52% on shipping discounts. There are also some other subscription plans Shopify offers, which is Shopify Lite for $9 per month. This will allow you to add products to any website or blog and accept credit card payments. Shopify Plus is another subscription plan they offer. This is for very large businesses with millions in revenue annually. In order to get a quote for this, you will need to contact the Shopify sales department. Why should you use Shopify? Firstly, Shopify is extremely easy to get started. They offer a 14-day free trial, which is usually more than enough time to get your website off the ground and running. Obviously, if you're creating a larger store, more time will be needed. There are a few free themes available for you to choose from, as well as premium themes on the Shopify theme store. Themes will be the general overall look and layout of your store. At the beginning, most people opt for free themes. Debut is the most popular theme for people to get started. There are also a lot of third-party themes people create that are actually better than the ones used in the Shopify theme store. Theme Forest from Envato has a lot of themes people have created for you to use and purchase. Out of the Sandbox is another theme creator. They have some of the most powerful themes in Shopify. In upcoming videos, we'll be creating stores from scratch using their Turbo theme. Keep in mind these are paid themes, but if you're serious about getting into e-commerce, some of them are definitely worth it. Let's start getting our free trial started. Head over to Shopify. Once you're on the screen, select Start Free Trial on the top right corner of the page. Next, all you will need to do is add your email address, password, and the store name you want. This can be anything. However, I would recommend having this something very close to your store or brand name. Once you have entered this information, it will ask you a few questions. Are you already selling? What is your current revenue? And what industry will you be operating in? Let's go ahead and start adding hours. I will select not currently selling products, $0 current revenue as this is a new store we are creating, and we will select in the clothing industry. In future videos, I'll be walking through creating a clothing store from scratch using the Turbo theme from Out of the Sandbox. This is just for educational purposes. Next, you'll be asked to add all personal information required to get your store started. I'll go ahead and blur out this section and get the store running. Once you've entered the information, press enter the store. This may take a minute. Once everything gets activated, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard page. This is where you'll be spending most of your time. This page shows a lot of useful information for your business, including total sales, analytics, and much more. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll begin exploring the Shopify dashboard and adding specific data to our store. If you like these types of videos, consider liking and subscribing for future content. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.